morning, class. How are you?
We are fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
So today we'll be learning about the thing called breaking down strategy. Breaking what?
Down strategy.
At first, you have learned about the method, column method, like in order to calculate.
Yes.
So now on, and you also know about expanded notation, right?
Yes.
So today we are doing a different strategy, similar to expanded notation, but then it is different type.
Yes.
So at first, who can tell me about the word place? What do you understand when we talk about place? Yes.
Position or location.
When we talk about a place, we are talking about a location or a position of something. For example, going to Usaid. Usaid is a place again.
Yes.
So it is a what? It is a, we are talking about a position or place. Now, but then in this one, we are not talking about just a place again.
Yes.
We are talking about values. What do you understand by the term value? Yes?
Numbers.
Numbers. So, in order to define it, you can just say, I define it. So, we're in a position of a number. Alright.
Yes.
For example, okay, let's come to this one. Let's say 259. So, when it comes to the position side, you know already 9. 9 represents which one? It represents what?
Units.
What about 5? Yes. Tens. What about the 2? All of us?
Hundreds.
Hundreds, right?
Yes.
So now you know a position of a number. Okay. In terms of its values. Okay.
Yes.
So now let's carry on. You have learned about expanded notation, right?
Yes.
Expanded notation. Now let's expand that 259. So when we expand it, we'll start by doing what?
You expand 259.
You expand it again. When we talk about expanding, it's like you break it down again.
Yes.
So on 200, right on our area, right? We're going to say
200 plus 50 plus 9.
plus 9. You see?
Yes.
Very good. So it is the same as like we are breaking it. Again, like we have this thing, we are breaking it. We are breaking it apart.
Yes.
We are breaking it apart because I escaped 259. It's like 200 plus 50 plus 9, but it is still the same value. Again.
Yes.
So now, let's say now we are coming for breaking. Let's see when we break it. Let's break this one apart. Breaking it apart, right? So, for example, you can also use this method to calculate. Another, let's go and calculate our 259 plus, give me a number, 365, right?
Yeah.
So at first we expand it again.
Yes.
So when we expand it according to this place value, this one is gonna be what? It's still the same. It's still the same as that one again.
Yes.
So 200 plus 50 plus 9 plus
300 plus 50 plus 5.
So if I ask you and I say, what does the 6 represent according to this value? Yes?
6 represents 10.
represents tens again.
Yes.
It represents tens again.
Yes.
So this number, agree, it is on the tens place again.
Yes.
It represents what? The tens. What about this 2? What about the 2? Yes. It represents 100. Aye. So it represents 100. Aye. Now let's carry on and calculate this number. So when we calculate a number, we start from which side? Which side of the hand does we start when calculating a number? Yes. We start from the right hand. From the right hand side to the left hand.
Yes.
Because when you start this side, there are things called remainders and carryings again.
Yes.
So now, okay, let's start. The second one is that you group them. You group. Now, what do we first group? This two again.
Yes.
So we are going to say
200 plus 300 open bracket. Yes.
So now, which side must come here? Is it a plus sign or a negative sign? Plus sign. Because we are doing what? We are making high.
Yes.
Now, what must we do? Second one? So now, we are here. What do we do? Yes. Okay. What do we do? We add them, right?
Yes.
So, 200 plus 300? 500. Now, can you see what did I do? I removed the what? We removed the brackets, right?
Yes.
So, we say plus. And then 50 plus 60. I need US. Yes.
110.
110 plus 9 plus 5. Yes. 14. So, is this number still representing units?
No.
No, right?
Yes.
So now let's add. You can when you are here, you can even use the column method, right?
Yes.
Now let's recap. Let's use a column method to add these ones.
500 plus 110 plus.
Okay. So we are here now. This plus this plus this.
4.
This plus this plus this.
1.
2. This plus this.
6.
So our answer is what?
624.
624, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now you understand the term breaking. You can see that it's still the same as expanded notation. So I want us to do more examples again.
Yes.
Now I want us to go and break this one apart. 52, right? According to each place value. Say, so when we do the table, let's do the table. The 2 represent what? Units. What about the 5? Tens. The 6? Hundreds. And then what about the 2? Thousands. Now, let's break it apart. So, when we break it apart, we start by doing what? Okay, according to you, how many zeros does the 2 have? How many zeros? Yes? 3 zeros, because it represents the what? 1,000. So when we break it, we're going to say plus how we break the number according to its place value sign?
Yes.
Now, who can tell me why does the 6 have 2 zeros here? Why does the 6 have 2 zeros here? Discuss with your partner. Discuss with your partner. No matter why 6 in on 2. You are discussing with your partner or why 6 in on 2 zeros like Okay. Now let's share our responses. So, why does the 6 have 2 zeros?
Because it represents 100.
Because it represents 100, right?
Yes.
Very good. So, through breaking apart strategy, we can use it to add and also subtract, right?
Yes.
Now, let's add the following numbers. Okay, a question says on your piece of paper. Hey guys, okay, come around. On your piece of paper, take out a piece of paper. Take out your scribbler or a piece of paper. With the pencil, calculate the following. Okay. Let's pay attention. Let's engage. Now, on your piece of paper, you are calculating 67,988 plus 45,876, right?
Yes.
Okay, noise down. Okay, we are doing the work again.
Yes.
Now, I'm giving you a few minutes. Okay. Now remember, you start by doing what expanded rotation, right?
Yes.
I want to see your final answer. You expand it, you break it, and then you add. Very nice. In order to simplify it properly, you use also the bracket, right? Yes. Each value of the same position, you put it in the same brackets. I'm seeing a lot of good stuff. If you understand place value, you are going far. Okay, come around. Let's do it together, right?
Yes.
So, when we do it together, now let's start. Okay, so now let's do it together.
Yes.
Now let's break this one. We're gonna start by doing what? All of us.
600.
No.
60,000. Plus 7,000. Plus 9,000. Plus 80. Plus 80.
Remember, we are using the plus sign here.
Yes.
So we must put plus here. So now, okay, it is
40,000 plus 5,000.
no, it's 5,000, right?
Yes. Plus 800 plus 70 plus 6.
Remember, this is breaking down or expanded notation, right?
Yes.
Now, what do? We group them, right?
Yes.
So this is the step number 2. So, at first, we group what and what?
60,000 and 40,000.
Now, what do we use in order to group them together? What do we use? What do we use? Yes. Brackets, right?
Yes.
Now we use brackets. Plus 40, right?
Yes.
Pause. I'm gonna be like, okay. So I said we use what? When it comes to grouping, we use what?
Brackets.
Now, what we are done with the 10,000s, right?
Yes.
We are going to what? The 1,000, right?
Yes.
Now, okay. What's next? What do we add and add?
7,000
And what?
5,000.
7,000. Yes, brackets. And 5,000, right?
Yes.
Now we are done with thousands.
Brackets.
Brackets, nice. So now we are done with thousands. Where do we go next?
200.
What? 200, right?
Yes.
Now it is
900 plus 800.
what's next? Tens, right?
Yes.
Tens. So it is
80 plus 70.
plus 70.
Bracket.
Close brackets.
Open the.
Remember, this is the control sign, right?
Yes.
And then when if I do like this, is this correct?
No.
Because this acts as a multiplication, right?
Yes.
And we are not adding. I mean, we are not multiplying. We are adding, right?
Yes.
So we put a what?
A plus sign.
A plus sign. Now let's finish up. What's like? We are done with tens. We are going to what?
Units.
Now, okay. What do we add?
8 plus 6.
8 plus 6, right?
Yes.
Plus 6. Close brackets. Now, the next step, we check out on our brackets, right?
Yes.
In our bracket. Now, 60,000 plus 40,000.
100,000.
How much does 100? How many zeros does 100,000 have? Yes. 5. Let's test it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 100,000, right?
Yes.
So we are done with this one, right?
Yes.
Now we come to adding what? The thousands, right?
Yes.
Now, what about this one? 7,000 plus 5,000. Yes. 12,000.
Yes.
12,000, right?
Yes.
You can do it like this in a simple way. You can put the 3 here and then put 2 here. You know that now it is 7. It's 7 plus 3, right? Which is 10,000, and then plus 2,000, which is what? 12,000, right? Pause. Pause. Now, let's carry on. Okay, so 900 plus 800.
1,700.
1,700, right?
Yes.
Now, 80 plus 70. Yes. 150.
Yes.
150. Now, 8 plus 6. 14. Now we add, right?
Yes.
So 100,000 plus 12,000 is the same as
100.
Is this correct?
No.
It's not correct, right?
Yes.
Because we're gonna put the 1 here. And then we take how many zeros?
4.
We put 2 here, right?
Yes.
We put now only 1 0 left, right? So now we say that 1,700, right?
Yes.
So now it is plus 1,700. 1,700 plus 150. Right.
Yes.
So it's the same as before we take the units, the same as 112. 4, right? Now, and then it says 1700 plus 150 plus 14. Now let's add. This is column method, right?
Yes.
0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4.
4.
Do you see the main reason why you should start on the left hand side?
Yes.
Now, okay, this 0 is here, right?
Yes.
Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. 6.
Yes.
It's 6.
Yes.
1,700. No, this is should be here. 1,700. Can you see it now? And then the 50 is here. Now what about the 40 is here? Okay, this one is 150, right?
Yes.
Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4, right? Now, 0 plus 5 plus 1, 6. Nice. 0 plus 0 plus 1, 0 plus 7, 7. 2 plus 1,
3.
and then we take the what? The 11, right? Did you get it correct?
Yes.
You did, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I want us, we're going to play a game called Pick and Answer. Pick and what?
Answer.
So this is a game, right?
Yes. Yes.
Can you see this box?
Yes.
Inside this box, there are questions, right?
Yes.
You must, when you pick it, you must answer it, right? We
Yes.
are starting now. Okay. Firstly, I'm gonna erase everything here. Hey, as I was saying, we are going to play a game called Pick and Answer, right?
Yes.
So you pick and you answer. And you answer, right?
Yes.
So now we are starting. Pick one. Pick one. Pick one. And just choose a random. Pick one. Sit down, I'll come to you. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Now, the people who pick the paper. Now, who's holding green? Okay, stand up. You read the question and you answer it. Let's listen. Read it aloud.
How many zeros does 10,000 have?
How many zeros does 10,000 have? Let's listen to the answer now.
10,000 have 4 zeros.
She says that 10,000 has 4 zeros, right?
Yes.
Now, let us confirm it. So she says that 10,000 had 4 zeros, right?
Yes.
Now, okay, so we are dealing with what? 10,000, right?
Yes.
She says 4 zeros. Now, this is the what? Units, right?
Yes.
So the first zero stays here. Now the 10th second zero. The what?
100.
Third zero. The what?
1,000.
1,000. Fourth zero. Now
10,000.
10,000, right?
Yes.
10,000. So she is correct. Now give a round of applause. Yeah, you can sit down. The second one. Second one. Okay, you read the question. Read the question. Stand up and read the question. Now, read aloud. Listen.
How can you convert us that 29,152 is the true same as 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 2?
She says that how can you convince us that, okay, this one we need you to come and answer entirely. Can I give you a chalk? Come.
How can you convert us that 29,152 is true as same as 20,000 plus 9?
It says that how can you convince us that 29,152 is the same as 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 2? So now we want to see how can she convince us that it is still the same number. Okay. Give her a round of applause. Can you see what she did? She used the place value table in order to show us that this number is still as the same as this one, Ramon.
Yes.
This one is just to break apart again.
Yes.
Very nice. Now the third one. Listen.
Calculate 625 plus 255 using breakdown strategy.
Calculate. Okay, she must come and calculate using break apart strategy. 625 plus 255. So she's gonna calculate it using breaking apart strategy. Let's see. correct?
Yes.
Give them a round of applause. Now, okay, fine. Another question. Listen.
Calculate 243 plus 126 using breaking apart.
Calculate. It also allows him to come and do what? To solve it here, right? Yes. Very nice. Now, the next one. Come on. What does your question say? You stand up and read your question.
Calculate 2,121 plus 1,264 breaking down
Strategy. Can you calculate it? You're going to do it like this, man. So you already know it's like.
Yes.
Now you can do that. Now, another one. Another one. Stand up and do your question.
When we calculate using breaking down, we start by using which method?
When we calculate using breaking down, which method do we start by? Which method? You feel method you're going to summarize will be that thing. Okay. We talked about it. And then which method is that one? Which method do we use first?
Expand.
We start by expanding the number, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now, the next question.
In the number 5,649, what does the 9 represent?
In the number 5,649, what does the number represent? She must tell us the answer. What does the 9 represent? The 9 represent what?
Units.
Units. Very good. The next question.
Define the 10 place value.
Define the term place value. When we talk about place value, we talk about what?
We talk about position, location, and number.
We talk about the location or the position of a number according to its value, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now the next question. Read aloud.
Explain the word break in your own words.
Explain the word break. When you break something in your own way, what do you do? When we break, a number, when we say break, pause. The question says, explain the word break in your own way. What do you understand by the word break?
We separate it.
We separate, right? When you break something, you separate it. When you drop a glass, for example, when I drop this chunk and then it does, I have separated two pieces, right?
Yes.
Yes. Do we still have another question?
No.
Okay, if you don't know it, give it to someone else. Sit down and finishing up. Okay. Now read the question.
When we calculate, we start from which side of the hand?
When we calculate, we start from which side of the hand? Let's all answer it. When we calculate, which side do you start on?
We start from the right hand to the left hand.
Right. Aye.
Yes.
Sit down. Okay, pause. What's up? So, in today's lesson, what did we learn? Yes.
I learned the breaking down strategy.
She learned the breaking down strategy, right? That a number can be broken down into pieces according to its place values, right?
Yes.
And then another thing, yes.
I learned that when we calculate, we start from the right hand to the left hand.
She learned that when we calculate, we start from the right hand side to the left hand side, right?
Yes.
And then, according to you, okay, what else did you learn? She learned that each certain number represents its own location, right?
Yes.
Now, okay, I'm about to ask you this question. Between breaking down strategy and the column method, which one is easy for you? Okay, let's start with this one. The column method. This one.
Column method.
Column method.
Column method.
Column method.
Column method.
The column method.
Column method.
The column method. The column method. The column method. The breaking down, right?
Yes.
Breaking down. Breaking down. So can you see that we can subtract or add by using different strategies, right?
Yes.
Now we come to the end of our lesson. From today, you know how to break down a number, right?
Yes.
Thank you.